Yes, student, today we're going to learn the proof of the theorem, that is to prove the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, but we have to prove it. Let us draw the figure. ABC is a triangle. We have three angles A and B. We have to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So let us start the solution. What is given here? A triangle ABC. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now, since we have to bring the angle 180 degree, so from where we'll get the sum as 180 degree? So we have to think in which property we have 180 degree of angles. We know that in a straight line, what is the angle? 180 degree. So we have to do a construction. We have to draw a straight line. Now where we have to draw a straight line? This is the base of the triangle. Opposite to it, we have opposite to it and parallel to it, we have to draw a line. Let the line be named as x and y. We have to draw a line xy parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. Since this line is passing through the point A, so we can say here three angles are forming 1, 2 and 3. The sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree, because we know that the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So here we have to first do the construction. Draw XY parallel to BC and passing through which point? A. Passing through point A. Now proof. Since this line is parallel to BC, and if we take AB as a transversal, then there is a relation between angle 1 and angle B. Since XY is parallel to BC and AB is transversal, and we know that since these two angles are on the either side of transversal, so they will form alternate interior angle, and we know that alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle B. What type of angle they are? Alternate interior angles. Let it be question number first. Similarly, again taking XY parallel to BC, now we're going to change the transversal AC. If this is transversal, then 3 and C are forming alternate interior pair. Again, XY parallel to BC and AC is transversal, so it will give angle 3 is equal to angle C. Equation number 2. What type of angle? Alternate interior angles. Now using the relation of straight angle, but we have to write linear pair, because in straight angle if rays are standing, then the concept used is of linear pair, because many angles are forming. Since XY is a straight line, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair of angles. By linear pair of angles. Now we have got the word 180 degree. Now what is required? Angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle 2 we already have, and angle 2 will be marked as angle A. We're going to change angle 2 as angle A, because in the triangle ABC, angle A is marked as angle 2. In place of angle 1, we will going to write angle B, and in place of angle 3 we will going to write angle C from equation first and second, which we have proved. Or in place of angle 1 we will write angle B, angle 2 we will going to write angle A, and angle 3 we will going to write as angle C equal to 180 degree from equation first and equation second. Now rearranging them, or angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So this way we have proved. Thank you.